Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's S, and today I'm gonna be making slime. And me and my brother, because I'm about to ask him. Me and my sister. Wanna make slime?
Like this? Like this, right?
Wanna make slime?
No. A longer one?
Let's actually but we're gonna wait till she done put in the turtle talks in the
Cooking, y'all.
No. I can say in the
No, Mama.
Today we're gonna be making.
Thought I got longer ones. You got them on both sides.
So today, I can say that. I don't know why. Whoa, stop.
Like, why would it be in there?
It could fit in there. It's only back really. With the snow cone maker, but we need some ice.
Nope.
I'm trying to vacuum seal the this because my nose is. Yeah. So this, what you got putting the things in the oven? You wanna make slime?
I guess so.
Yeah, she said she guessed so. So I'm gonna get the bowl ready. I'm just gonna use this one because I don't feel like getting no other bowl. We're gonna use this bowl, you guys. So today we're gonna make slime. So let's start with the ingredients. So today we're gonna make a slime and having fun with slime. So we got the slime right here. I mean the bowl right here, and then we got like a whole bunch of deodorant, nail polish, more nail polish. We got a lot of stuff like perfume stuff. We got a lot of stuff over here. Perfume. I mean, all like most of this stuff is mine. Lotion, sunscreen, baby lotion, Vaseline. Me and my sister made perfume. I see you, Barbara. And yeah, so today me and my sister gonna make a slime. Since my brother don't want to do it, and y'all heard him say no. And look how yellow his teeth is. Ugh. So he's not gonna make it with us. Just me and my sister. Oh, she's still looking for stuff. Okay. Let's get it. Barbara tried to hide the bowl. I just had the bowl. It's literally just right there.
Guys, so we're going to be making
Give us the bowl.
slime.
Right now. I swear. I'm going to show my mom. Let's talk to her. Mama?
Guys, we're going to be making slime. We're going to show y'all. We do it a different way.
Okay, so
we're really not going to use a big way. I'm not finished talking. We're going to be making slime, and we're going to show you. We're not going to really be making slime because we really don't know how, but we're going to show you how we do it. Try this. Boom.
Okay, so I'm going to do it with this. So let's get started. So what we're going to start with? Baby lotion?
We're going to start with the lotion.
Baby lotion.
One.
Okay.
So putting the lotion there.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
So now what's like? I'm going to get.
Oops. Look, guys. It's a lot of stuff over here that we're probably going to be using. Probably not.
Yeah, candles.
Look. There's lotion. So I'm going to be mixing it in.
Okay.
She's going to be mixing it in.
Okay, what's the next ingredient?
Look, show them.
Okay, so now I'm just like mixing it a little bit. Oh, I hate that sound.
I know. I like it. Is it showing?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
So now we're gonna adding this.
That's more lotion.
This for some reason.
You can stir with your hands. Stir with your hands. Stir.
It's
all the way around. Look, y'all see her putting it? Now I'm stirring this. Barbara's stirring the next thing. Look at this. It's like mixed. It's like blended in.
So today, this is what we have for our third ingredient.
Which one?
Oh, sorry. This is our third ingredient. No, she said do stirring it.
Okay, show her.
Show. Okay. That's what
Show.
it looks like.
What it looks like for now.
Only that one because the rest of them coming out. So,
Okay.
I'll square one time because
It smells like perfume. It smells okay. Show them what kind of perfume it is.
it's called Fearless.
Yeah, it's like in Spanish. It's like in Spanish.
So now we're going to be
He
adding.
stirred it. Look at it, guys.
Our other one was better than this one. We had
Yeah.
new ingredients and stuff.
But it
I had some
smells good though. We're going to try to sell it to people. If you want some, just come to us. If you see us, we will be making these.
And we live in Texas. Oh, they don't need to know all that information. I'm not gonna put this because I'm telling them to stay.
Yeah. Why? So we can make. We can put a little glitter and stuff. So our slime and stuff.
I'm not gonna like do that. I'm just like dip it. Like
No, just do that.
okay.
Why would you put it on the spoon? You should put it. This looks like kind of like banana pudding, but it's really good.
Can I feel it?
Ugh, smell that.
Smell good?
It smells okay. Look.
It's not even slimy.
Yeah, but it's gonna get slimy. We just gotta put a little water.
We should put garlic on her.
Well, we gotta show our heads, dude. I guess it's barely showing our
Okay,
heads.
I'm gonna wash my hands. My hands dirty. Look at my hands dirty. So yeah,
Let's see.
We have 2 ways to get started. What was that? I think they never believe. It got all on my shoulder, dude. Oh, that was kind of she spilled on my
I just want to move that. Okay. It's kind of bitter. Oops. This is all in the way and stuff. Bam. Now y'all can see the spoon and stuff.
Okay, so you already
Just use some of this.
You already Vaseline. You already added water?
No.
Okay, so I'm about to show y'all the 2 ways to get to our bath. This is the way I took this one. And then I'm about to show you guys the other way. You can clearly see I'm walking, so. Okay, so this is where you're gonna add water from. The sink, of course. Okay.
Only a little.
Like this much? That's enough. Okay, come on, let's go. Now, this is my mama's stick, but it's full of water because it's broke. Whoa! Oh, y'all fine. It's waterproof, so if y'all want.
Who moved the candle? I did.
Oh.
Look, y'all feel it.
Is it slimy?
Kinda. This is the way we make slime. It's not the way that other people make slime.
Y'all put lotion.
And look, guys. Sometimes we just be putting our hands in this water. Yeah, it's cold.
Y'all want to feel it? Just kidding.
Oh, feel that.
Feel weird.
What?
A ton of nasty stuff in there, like nail polish. So somebody spit.
No.
They can't even see this.
Look, guys. This one.
That's mine. Look, they can't even see it.
Glitter.
Because she was showing them the title.
This one.
So
This
today we're gonna be making slime.
Ouch. Why is it sticking this one?
But that's what it's supposed to
Stick it.
So like if you get stuck in there, it'll just be easier. Come on. Oh my goodness, I just got my shirt wet. When I come back, y'all gotta figure out something different about me. So
No, move.
this is
Stand back.
okay, y'all ready? I
I do not know what he's talking about, guys. Guys, we did not plan this to do this today. We just doing this because we're just in the house doing nothing.
About he got a sticker. This is on. The tag on it. One more.
That.
He got a Starbucks in his hand. Peppa, you not supposed to tell him.
Bro, you like.
Oh my gosh. He was asking us.
Huh?
I thought he was asking us.
Look, guys, y'all can put this on your hands. You can't really see it, but because it feels weird too. People just look. Y'all hear that? I'm the only one doing this challenge, and I'm not even the one that planned this. My sister did. I did it. Look, we can add a little perfume. We made this perfume on our not on our other channel, but we didn't upload it.
Sorry, you're messing with Al.
You guys are going to see this vlog.
Okay, so I'm back. You done?
Oh my god.
You add some of my perfume?
No.
Oh, it stinks.
Let me smell.
Something.
Don't smell that bad.
Wash it.
Smell it, y'all.
Peppa. I think I would smell it.
It stinks.
Peppa. They can't even smell it. Look what you did. So? Like I can't get it over. Nope. Cause it's Liz's turn.